Story Kids Rise.
The Princess and the Golden Grove Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a land filled with sparkling lakes and towering mountains, there lived a kind and beautiful princess named Priya. Her kingdom was known for its lush forests and golden groves, where the trees bore fruit that shone like gold. Every day, Princess Priya would visit the Golden Grove, where she felt a special connection to nature. One day, she noticed that the trees were losing their golden glow. Concerned, she called for the wisest old man in the kingdom, Sage Harry. Sage Harry told her, "The grove is losing its magic because the heart of the forest, the golden blossom, is missing. You must find it to restore the grove's beauty." Without hesitation, Princess Priya set out on a quest. She ventured deep into the forest, facing challenges with courage and determination. She crossed a rickety bridge, solved the riddles of a mysterious cave, and finally reached a hidden glade where the golden blossom was kept by a grumpy old gnome named Garv. Garv was surprised to see Princess Priya's kindness and bravery. "Why do you seek the golden blossom?" he asked. Priya replied, "To restore the magic of the Golden Grove and bring joy back to my people." Touched by her sincerity, Garv handed her the golden blossom. "Take it, Princess. Your heart is pure." With the golden blossom in hand, Princess Priya returned to the grove and placed it at the heart of the forest. Instantly, the trees regained their golden glow, and the grove was more beautiful than ever. The kingdom celebrated, and Princess Priya was hailed as a hero. From that day on, the Golden Grove flourished, a symbol of the princess's courage and the magic of kindness. And they all lived happily ever after. The Princess and the Golden Grove Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.